Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, today we are going to do the theme that is body movements. And our today's topic is muscle coordination. Okay? Students, in this topic we do different activities. Firstly, I tell you about the body movements. Body movements involves a change in the position of a body part with respect to the whole body. The movements start from crawling, and with the increase in age, the person starts walking, leading to the movement of the organisms. Okay, now after this, let's do an activity. In this activity, the one side your parents or brother sister play the music, and you have to follow the actions told by your parents. Students, you perform different actions on the music, such as touching your knees, touching your feet, keeping your hands straight, keeping your hands in front, sideways, hands upward, hands on the waist, etc. Like this. Okay? I repeat this again. Firstly, your parents will play the music, and on the tone of music, you play the different actions that are called by your parents, such as touching your feet, keeping your hands up, down, side, these. Okay, students, this is your activity. After doing this activity, now let's do another activity. In this activity, students firstly make two groups with anyone, with your parents, brothers, sisters, siblings, with anyone. Okay, students, you make a circle on the floor, and one group stand outside the circle and one group inside the circle with balls. The group that is inside the circle, they play with balls and try to throw the ball out of the circle. And students, those who are standing outside the circle, they try to stop the ball. Okay, I repeat this activity. Firstly, students make two groups. Okay, one group stands inside the circle and one outside the circle. The students, those who are inside the circle, they play with the balls. Okay, and they roll out the ball and try to throw the ball outside the circle. And the students, those who standing outside the circle, they try to stop that circle. Sorry, stop the ball. Okay? Students, repeat this activity by exchanging the groups. Okay? You you play this activity with anyone. Okay, beta? Now let's recite a rhyme, that is the playground. The playground. I want to swing high, I want to swing low. I will play on a swing. I want to climb up the ladder. I want to slide down. I will play on a slide. I want to go up. I want to go down. I will play on a seesaw. I want to ride fast. I want to ride slow. I will ride a spring horse. Come play with me It's fun to play together. We will play safely. Now again. I want to swing high. I want to swing low. I will play on a swing. I want to climb up the ladder. I want to slide down. I I will play on a slide. I want to go up. I want to go down. I will play on a seesaw. I want to ride fast. I want to ride slow. I will ride a spring horse. Come play with me. It's fun to play together. We will play safely. Okay, this is your today's rhyme. Students learn this rhyme at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, and also students try to do any activity. This is a fun activity. You play with anyone. Okay, try to play any activity. Okay, students, now stay connected with your school, with your teacher. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day.